G'day, I'm Nicole Hope and I'm living in love and not in fear. Welcome to my channel, Ascension Through Spiritual Warfare. So, after everything that the beloveds have been through, and we've raised our vibrations to the frequency of love, we've remembered who we are and what our role is. In this world, we have woken up to the illusion and remembered what our role is. And it's been a long path. And we've forgiven the past and the diabolical stuff we've been through. And yet it still goes on. So, you know what is a really good healing, rebirthing thing to do is forgive yourself. Forgive yourself and give yourself a break for the times when you've compared yourself and your path to the rest of the world. Forgive yourself and apologize to yourself and say, I'm sorry for thinking that you're lazy, when really you are a legendary for continuing on with your healing and doing everything that needs to be done, just you, just by yourself. And forgive yourself and say sorry and apologize to yourself for when someone else has instilled fear into you, to dictate your choices. Because, it's not time to allow people to dim your light because they're in their shadow. They're living in a low vibration. So don't let them dictate how you vibrate. And forgive yourself for saying, I'm strong, for calling it strength, when really you are suppressing your pain. And this isn't a pity party, it's self-respect. And it's for your own peace. Because the world is getting so crazy that they can't keep up with you and your frequency of unconditional love, that they are sending such hatred to bring your anger out, you know. And so reclaim your loyalty with yourself, because don't expect closure from people in the world that are never going to give you closure. So you be loyal to yourself. You give yourself the closure of forgiveness for your reactions. And realize that they don't have power over you. No one has power over you. You hold the power. So choose yourself. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself to rebuild yourself and rise. You know, you are not perfect, but you are perfectly real. So I live the hope of living in love and not in fear. I am going to stay perfectly real. And I hope you are going to stay perfectly real in yourself and loyal to yourself. Amen. And hey, stay beautiful.